Nigerians love to eat. Millions of delicious meals are made every second across Africa's most populous nation to nourish bodies and minds, to celebrate and to survive. Nevertheless, all food items are perishable. In the value chain that involves production, storage, logistics, preparation and consumption, food items may get contaminated. Across the world, 600 million cases of foodborne illnesses are recorded, with approximately 137,000 annual deaths in Africa. Therefore, food safety and quality management is integral to improved socio-economic and environmental welfare. However, there are policy gaps that prevent guaranteed safety and quality of food, which is fundamental to human existence. The NESG Agra and their partners are passionate about the transformation of Nigeria's food safety system to guarantee that food is safe for all. We call that Fudorado. What is unsafe food? Food can become unsafe when it gets contaminated. Contaminants may be biological, chemical, or physical. To engage citizens about food safety practices, the Fudorado train made stops across the country covering 6 geopolitical zones. From Akwa Ibom to Kano, Anambra to Borno, Lagos to Abuja, this campaign engaged food vendors, farmers, producers, processors, businesses and citizens about food safety and quality in their various operations across the value chain.
Ci gaba da muka dan samu kadan, idan Allah ya sa an sami wutar nefa ta dan kwana aka samu block kankara kenan, za mu je mu sai kankara to sai mu ajiye shi, ko da zai kwana 2 ko 3 ba zai yi wari ba ko ba zai wani abu ba ko ba zai lalace ba. To shine ma muke dan samu muna wannan abu na dan, saboda wutar ba ma samun wutar nefa sosai da yake za mu sa wannan nama din har yayi block kaji da muke yi.
I do it with pepper, onions, and I add pomo, fish, and the other things. If someone needs pomo or fish, you can add it. But I fry the stew very well. I have 2 types of stews. The other one with pepper and onions, and the other one with tomato, pepper, onions, other things I added into it. I will cut it and throw it away. I will cut it and throw it away, and I will use the good ones.
After finished roasting it, do everything and make sure that I taste the meat very well before I can take it to the market, because this goat to me, some part of those goats may have some sickness, you understand? We have some doctors that taste this thing before we take it to the market. This is our business, and we really do it very well for the customer to go for it.
Abin da ba ma sa chemical ba, saboda ka zo ka sa chemical yau, kuma chemical yana daukar lokaci kafin ya expire. Idan ka zo ka sa chemical yau, wani ya saya ya ce yau, kaga zai samu damuwa. Amma su wanda suke sai su ije shin nan yakan dauki kamar wata 3, kaga kafin lokacin magani ya riga ya expire.
Baba Zukolani, open it try me storage. Abangwa ka iji ya store the beans ngwa abịaga anwa ọhara agboto. So abangwa ka iji eme storage. You got to go each nzuko sample of the bag or the aba. So ndu na-ejezikwa agba chemical, wa na-eme at their own risk.
olómi wà ọlọ́tí wà so gbogbo ọ̀lọ́dẹ̀ ṣiṣẹ́ lára.
bọ̀ ṣé irú ti ọlọ́tí yẹn ṣé ó máa ń pa èèyàn téèyàn bá mú àwọn ọtí?
iṣẹ́ rí látìgbà ayé àwọn bàbá wa náà ti máa ń rẹ kíní sínú ọtí bọ̀ tí wọ́n bá àwọn èèyàn ló kàn mú lámùjù ní ìsìn ẹlòmíì tó bá ti mu ṣọ́ọ̀tì kan á rí pa iṣẹ́ lára dáadáa bọ̀dẹ̀ ẹlòmíì ẹ bá fún ṣọ́ọ̀tì bíi mẹ́ta á sì mú lọ náà ni so àwọn ẹlò máa ń pa ṣùgbọ́n tó bá rọ àmì wọn bá oògùn yá iṣẹ́ lára ẹ̀.
irú àwọn tó bá mu bíi ọtí mẹ́ta yẹn ṣé béèyàn bá mu bíi mẹ́ta ṣó ní nǹkan tí ó lè ṣe lára àbí ṣó ìṣì máa ṣiṣẹ́ tó yẹ kó ṣe?
á iṣẹ́ tó yẹ kó ṣe bọ̀dẹ̀ ó kàn yẹ pé á máa pa á iṣẹ́ tó yẹ kó ṣe lára ẹ̀.
On the 7th of May 2022, the NESG, Federal Ministry of Health and other key stakeholders utilized the occasion of the World Food Safety Day to sensitize citizens about essential practices to maintain food safety.
That is what we are here to do today. Taco Market. Taco Market, we are here for you. We are here to tell you about food safety. How is your orange safe? Food safety is your business. It's not only NAFDAC business. It's not only CPC business. It is your business.
Yau ranar abinci ne, shi ne muna kan bayani cewa ana abinci ya kamata a gyara da kyau.
When you don't eat your food, cover am. If you dey sell food, cover that food before you sell it. No dey use carbide write your fruit or your banana or your mango or your whatever. No dey use carbide write am. It is bad. Safer food. They use net cover your meat. Make fly no dey dey on top am. Fly no good for that meat. See all those tomatoes wey dey for ground, all those pepper wey dey for ground, abeg comot am for ground o. Dey put am for table, abeg dey put your tomato, your pepper, put them for table, abeg dey put them for table. No sell rot ten pineapple o, rot ten pineapple dey grow.
To advance the technicalities of the Food Safety and Quality Bill, experts and other stakeholders reviewed and validated existing policy documents on food safety and quality.
The main objective of this meeting this morning is to bring all stakeholders on board and on the same page and uniformity and produce a position paper which will be used as a veritable tool for advocacy and sensitization of the National Assembly members to ensure the passage of the bill and the presidential assent before the expiration of the 9th National Assembly.
There should be an effective monitoring and evaluation system. Should I say food inspectors are supposed to be part of the process, and then capacity building of the different vendors or the different people in the value chain, the agricultural value chain, because food poisoning, it starts from the farm. It could be from chemicals, it could go to the post-harvest level. We're looking at, remember there was the story about sniper. There was a sniper issue, and at times the way we store our food, and at times we sell rotten food. So people don't really take cognizance of all those things, and those things are very important because there are possibilities that you could have all kinds of cancer if care is not taken.
It's even very important to understand what we mean by food safety, because it's a technical term which just simply means that the assurance that food that you eat, when you prepare it and consume it the way it is intended, it does not cause harm to you as the consumer. So food safety is actually aimed at protecting the consumer.
To ensure that we elaborate standards that will also bring the issue of quality and safety as the basis for every standard we set. And for reasons that safety and quality are issues that cannot be compromised, it has become mandatory that part of the standard, which is the first area, the scope, always capture these areas of safety. So it has been a continuous activity over the years that we don't joke with the issue of safety, and therefore it's not something that we just started now. It is just a continuous activity. Anytime we develop standard, it is very critical that we point out that that standard more complies with the issue of quality and safety for any product we do.
If you want to attain utmost in nutrition, our emphasis should be on food safety.
Even policy, being anything like that, you always have challenge, because especially when you are dealing with an issue that is cross-cutting and multi-sectoral like food safety. There are challenges at the initial stage. You have to convince the stakeholders for buying in, because it's a provision of that bill is one of the provisions that are of the policy. So in the course of implementing it, that thing have to come into place. I said that we need to even bring in all the stakeholders and let everybody understand, be on the same page.
We started out with reviews of this bill. We did some in-house reviews of the context in this bill, because one thing you would notice about the bill is it has a multidisciplinary approach to it. We have the aspect that speaks to environment, we have the aspect that speaks to trade, we have the aspect that would speak to agriculture, health, and science and technology. So it was important for us to pull together stakeholders from these respective agencies and have a bigger picture, a more robust understanding of the legislation.
The passage and the implementation of the Food Safety and Quality Bill will substantially address barriers around regional and international food trade, particularly the implementation of the African Continental Free Trade Agreement signed by Nigeria. Therefore, the National Food Safety and Quality legislation would provide a legal framework for Nigeria to trade, and that would also enhance our domestic consumption and export. This will assist in the reduction of food safety related public health issues, reduce the pressure on foreign exchange, boost our self-sufficiency in food production, as well as help Nigeria to increase food security.
The robust food safety legislation and its implementation will assist in the reduction of food safety-related public health issues to enhance Nigeria's food security and boost the country's self-sufficiency in food production and reduce the pressure on foreign exchange. Visit our website at www.nesgroup.org/Fudorado for more information.